this practice on Brzee, I want to add another component, a ritual component. And that is to light ghee lamps, not just candles, but ghee lamps, because ghee lamps have the ability to bring the divine to wherever you are. That's why ghee lamps are prescribed for rituals. So there are some Lakshmi shrines charged with power. They were established by yogis who wanted to help humanity and who kind of locked the energy of Lakshmi at the temples where they lived, or some temples they themselves were responsible for building it, or in some cases they even took their samadhi in the temple with the pure intention of helping the future generations with gifts of Shreem. It's important to light ghee lamps in those shrines. Do it in your own place, but the most powerful way to do it is to do this ritual at this place. So I strongly recommend that in addition to your own practice, this ritual will also help to change your financial and material karma.